Very good morning all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Last day we discussed some prepositions. Do you have any doubt regarding that?
Oh yes, sir. I was getting confused.
Ask Priya, where are you facing the problem?
I am confused between on and in. How can we use these prepositions for transports? Could you please clear the doubts, sir?
Oh yes dear, people get mostly confused between in and on. In, for example in taxi, in truck, in helicopter.
Why we use in here with these transports, sir?
Now I explain it to you. We use in here because we cannot walk in these transports. We just open the door and sit but not walking. That's why we use in with these. Now, let's talk about on. For example on bus, on plane, on ship, on train, etc. Can you tell that why we use on her?
I got it, sir. Because we can walk in these transports. These are bigger than car, taxi.
Yes, Priya, but truck is bigger, so why we use in with truck instead of on?
Because we also can't walk in truck. So we can say they are in truck.
Great, Priya. There is one more preposition called by. We can use by with these prepositions as well. For example by car, by taxi, by bus. This is not wrong, but we need to understand when we have to use it. We use by for general means of transportation. It means when normally we go somewhere. For example, we are going to Mumbai by train.
Finally, I got it very well. We must keep on learning. Thank you so much, sir, for helping us.
Have a nice day to all of you ahead.
Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed a lot through learning. Keep on learning. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. You can comment that on which topic you would like to know more.